Hi, today we are going to learn about interpreting data in tables. So first of all, what is a table? A table is a type of graph that presents data in tabular form. Tables are made up of rows and columns. For example, here is a table showing the weekly salary of 4 different persons. Here we have different terms which we mention in a table. The first one is heading, then is columns, and then is rows. The top row shows the heading, that is, details of the data being represented in the table. Rows are horizontal cells, whereas columns are vertical cells. Let us take another example. The given table here shows the number of different animals in a zoo. On the left hand side of the column you can see the names of the animals, whereas on the right hand side you can see the number of those animals. So if we ask you that how many more elephants are there in the zoo as compared to giraffes? As from the table you can see that number of elephants is equal to 27, whereas number of giraffes is equal to 23. So to find out the difference, we will subtract. That is, 27 take away 23 is equal to 4. So we can say that there are 4 more elephants than giraffes.